4, northern Newcastle County and northern Delaware, northeastern Cecil County and northeast Maryland, southern Chester County and southeast Pennsylvania, Salem County and southern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Paradise, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Homeville and Parksburg around 4:15 p.m., Cochranville and Duxford around 4:20 p.m., West Grove and Lombard around 4:25 p.m., Campbellsville and Fairhill around 4:30 p.m., North Star and Lunenburg around 4:35 p.m., Pike Creek and Ashlands around 4:40 p.m. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle County, Delaware, and Cecil County, Maryland, and Salem County, New Jersey, and Chester County, Pennsylvania.